This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside Settings, open it and go directly to Accessibility so you don't hunt through menus. Once in Accessibility, find the Live Caption or Captions entry. Some devices place it under Sound or Display. Tap that entry to reveal the feature controls. This is the first actionable step that exposes the toggle and any language or auto-detect options. Make sure you can see the on/off toggle before proceeding. If it's grayed out, you may need to close other media apps first. Now you'll flip the toggle to turn Live Caption off. Tap the on/off switch and watch captions disappear from any playing media. This is the core action. If the system asks for permission changes, accept or decline as appropriate, then press back to confirm the state. Once done, check Advanced Settings briefly to ensure auto-enable features are disabled, because those can restart captions later. If captions persist, pause or close the media player and recheck the toggle. Finish by testing. Play a video or audio clip and confirm captions remain off. If captions reappear, make sure the media app isn't forcing captions. Close the app and reopen it. If that fails, restart your device to clear cached settings, then revisit Accessibility to verify the toggle stayed off. As a final troubleshooting tip, reset caption preferences or install available system updates. Outdated software or corrupted settings often cause toggles to revert unexpectedly, and updating usually fixes that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.